Inkulumbuso yesizwe samaZulu uNkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi uzibhebhethile izityholo zokuba uNkosi Simakade Zulu nebango kubukumkani bamaZulu. uNkosi Buthelezi ukwafunde nengxelo eyenziwe nguNkosi Simakade Zulu esithi uyakwamkela ukutyunjwa kwekumkani entsha yesizwe samaZulu, ukumkani Misuzulu kaZwelithini.
Statement by His Royal Highness Prince Simakade kaZwelithini Makeba. I request the Prince to read the following statement on my behalf as written by myself. I am aware that there are talks which include my name that I, Simakade Jackson Zulu, is aspiring to sit on the throne. I was pleased to see that on television the Prince, he is referring to me, made it clear that I've never expressed such ambitions to him. I myself wish to attest to that. I wish to assure everyone that I've never expressed such ambitions to anyone. I've heard that there are talks, there are people who wish me to ascend to this position, and there is nothing I can do about that.